Animals in a Wildfire, written and illustrated by Travis Schaefer. A group of campers are going camping. They will be camping at Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone Park is a very large area of forest, rivers, and lakes. It is home to many different animals. The campers stop at a visitor center. They see a poster of Smokey Bear. It says, "Only you can prevent wildfires." The U.S. Forest Service uses Smokey Bear to remind people to be careful with fire. Next to the poster, they see an old photo of a real bear cub. The photo explains that a small bear cub was caught in a wildfire in New Mexico. The bear was too small to run, so it climbed a tree. Firefighters rescued the bear cub and named it Smokey. Before leaving the visitor center, the campers pick up a safety guide. It has rules to follow when camping in the forest. Some rules are about preventing wildfires. It tells us not to leave an unattended campfire burning. Campfires may start wildfires. Fires, if not put out, become big wildfires. A wildfire can spread quickly through a forest. Wildfires can burn trees and plants. They can burn down miles and miles of forest. Animals use trees and plants for homes and food. The campers will follow the rules and be careful with their campfire. Next, the campers stop at a ranger station. The ranger talks about the animals that live in the forest. Many small animals like insects, mice, and chipmunks live in the forest. Other large animals like deer, elk, and bears live in the forest too. The campers ask the ranger, "What happens to the animals during the wildfire?" The ranger answers, "The larger animals are faster, and they will try to run away from the fire. The smaller animals will hide from the fire by digging into the ground. Some animals, like birds, will fly away from the fire." The ranger explains that it takes many years for trees and plants to grow back after a fire. Animals will not come back if there are no trees and plants. That's why it is important to be careful with fires. The campers leave the ranger station. They have learned about the animals that live in the forest. They have also learned about the rules they need to follow to keep the forest safe from fires. The campers are ready to start camping. The end.